One of the most important factors in following a recipe is using the correct measurements. While many may think that any measuring cup will do, there's a difference between liquid and dry measuring cups, and some are more accurate than others. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best measuring cup. So let's get started. Number 5. Good Grips Angled Measuring. These OXO measuring cups are stackable and won't take up much room in your cabinets or countertop. In testing, our lab experts found that they had accurate measurement readings across the board and scored an overall 5 out of 5 in performance. The set of 3 features standard cup markings as well as ounces and milliliters. The red lettering makes it easy to read, and the angled measurements on the inside of each cup also lets you easily read from above. The plastic cups are lightweight with a comfortable rubber handle and have an oval rime and pointed spout, perfect for pouring into narrow openings. Number 4. OXO Good Grips 4. This 8-piece stainless steel, medium weight set was the top performer in our tests for dry measuring cups, scoring 4.5 out of 5 and had the most accurate reading out of all dry measuring cup sets tested. The rubber handle makes for a comfortable hold, and scooping is a breeze. The handles also feature clear and large printed measurement markings, so you don't have to wonder if you have the correct spoon or cup when baking cookies. Each cup and spoon is magnetized, which helps for a neat and organized stack. Number 3. OXO Good Grips 3-piece Squeeze. Squeeze and pour to get every last bit out, it's that simple. These easily stackable set of 3 fit perfectly inside of one another, great for storage and saving space. The lightweight silicone cups have a flat and sound base that gives the cup structure, yet the body is easy to squeeze when ready to pour, even into narrow spaces. When testing, we loved how easy it was to pour into various sized bowls without worrying about spillage, which is why it scored a perfect 5-star rating in our pouring test. Number 2. KitchenAid Classic Measuring Cups. KitchenAid is another trusted brand known for their product's performance, and their classic measuring cup set isn't any different. With an overall 4 out of 5 score for performance, this set scored the second highest out of the dry measuring cups we tested. We were surprised how easy they were to use for scooping and pouring thanks to their lightweight and rounded design. They're made of plastic, feature rubber-tipped handles and come with an easy-to-detach plastic ring to keep all 4 cups in one place. The low price point is great if you don't want to invest too much into your cookware without sacrificing quality. Number 1. OXO Good Grips 2 Cup. This 1 cup does it all. It holds 2 cups and is adjustable with a simple twist to align the body with the cup's measurements. There are separate measurement marks for liquid or dry ingredients in U.S. and metric measures. For dry ingredients, fill to the top and level it off. For liquids, the fill mark is at a lower level to avoid spilling the ingredients on the way to your bowl or pot. For thin liquids, just pour from the cup. The rim is designed to make pouring easy and mess-free. For sticky liquids like honey or thick ingredients like peanut butter, turn the cup over and twist to push the ingredients out. A silicone disc on the pusher scrapes the sides clean as it pushes the food out, so you won't waste a drop. That was our list of the top 5 best measuring cup just for you.